When I came here, I started with just a part-time job at a meat shop. I was cutting meat in the cold.
Drum roll, please. Let them know how much you spent for your 4-year degree as an international student. Would you have spent that money into real estate?
You know, Karan, definitely I would have done that.
What is up, everybody? Just Karan Dhillon here, back here with another video. And in today's video, I am with...
Hey guys, my name is Balraj.
So I'm with Balraj. He's one of my best friends here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And in today's video, we'll be discussing what were the costs as an international student to graduate with a 4-year degree from the University of Manitoba. And as you guys know, my channel is all about money. So we'll also be discussing what kind of jobs did Balraj do, right? To be able to afford his month-to-month expenses as well as his degree as well. So before we get into this video, you guys already know the deal. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. Hopefully we don't get run over. Alright guys, so before we get on with this video and we start talking about how much did you pay for your whole degree per course and per semester, let's give them a bit of introduction about yourself. When did you come to Canada? Where are you coming from? I know all of that, but they don't, right? So
yeah, let's do it. Hey guys, so I came here in winters of 2014, the January intake. It was so cold, just like it is today.
Exactly. So right now, when we're shooting, as we're shooting this video, is minus 30. Obviously you guys cannot feel it through the lens, but look at this. It's all snowed. It's super cold outside, but we're still making this video. We're in the Bridgewater's neighborhood here in Winnipeg. It's one of the higher upper end neighborhoods in Winnipeg. But that said, Balraj, how much were the courses when you came here in Winnipeg?
So guys, when I came here in 2014, right?
Yeah.
The courses were around, like, each course was costing me around $1,500.
Okay, so one course was $1,500.
Yeah, $1,500.
Okay.
Yeah, and we international students, we usually want to finish the degree as soon as possible, right? So
yeah.
I took 4 courses in 1 semester.
Okay, so you were taking 4 courses per semester.
Yeah.
So then per semester in 2014 when you came in, right? How much were you paying then?
So it was around $6,000 per semester.
$6,000 per semester. Wow.
Yeah.
And then was it the same throughout the years, or did it increase? What are the details there?
So guys, what happened was in year 2016, I guess, that's when they increased the fees of university.
Okay.
Yeah, and that time my fee per course went from $1,500 to around $1,750.
Okay, so from $1,500 per course to almost $1,800.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a $300 increase per course.
Per course. Yeah,
okay,
man.
wow.
So my yearly cost, like the first year, I paid around $18,000 per year for the whole, like for the 3 semesters.
Okay.
But in 2016, when the fees got increased, that's when I paid around $20,000 per year.
Per year, okay.
Yeah, man.
So the first year that you came here, you paid around $18,000 for the 4 courses per semester, and then the next year, or was it after 2 years?
I think it was the next year.
The next year, okay. Yeah. So the first year you paid $18,000, and then the next year already $20,000 because of the fee increase, right?
Yeah, like let's say after finishing my second year, almost when the second year was finished,
yeah,
and the third year started, that's when I paid around $20,000 per year. Hey guys, check out the channel in the
So I know you also have a YouTube channel. Do you want to let them know about it?
Yeah. Hey guys, so please check the link in the description below. In my channel, I talk about nutrition, fitness, self-development, and all that.
Okay, so definitely if you guys are interested, go to his channel, subscribe to his channel, let him know that you came from my channel, and let's get back to the content now. Balraj, we've talked about how much it was per course, right? And how much you paid per semester as well. So now, drum roll please, let them know how much you spent for your 4-year degree as an international student.
Okay guys, are you guys ready? So it was around $100,000, guys.
$100,000. So Balraj,
yes sir,
you spent $100,000 for your degree.
I know.
My first question, was it worth it?
It was worth it.
It was worth it.
The amount of the knowledge I have right now,
Yeah.
the experience you get when you are studying at university,
Yeah.
it's amazing, guys. You should try it.
Okay.
Only if you are able to support the finance.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So he's definitely saying that it was worth it. $100,000 towards his education. Would you, like right now that you've completed your 4-year degree, right?
Yeah.
Would you have spent that $100,000 in, let's say, real estate, like I tell them to do, like start investing into real estate, start investing and growing your money? Would you have spent that money into real estate?
You know, Karan, definitely I would have done that if I was a permanent resident here.
Okay.
You know, since I was an international student, I had to do some kind of education first and then think of investing.
Okay.
Now that I'm done with the degree,
Yeah.
it's all about real estate, man. Now I'm gonna be investing in real estate.
Exactly, guys. So as I always tell you guys, start early, start growing your money. Okay, Balraj, so now we talked about your degree, how much it cost you. You said they cost you $100,000, right?
Yeah.
So as I said in the beginning of this video, I always in this channel I really talk about money and how they can start growing their money and start earning more money.
Yeah.
So as an international student that you did your degree here for 4 years, right? What kind of jobs were you doing to be able to afford that kind of lifestyle and your month-to-month expenses, right? So let them know there.
Okay, so guys, when I came here, I started with just a part-time job at a meat shop. I was cutting meat in the cold.
Okay.
And I did all kind of jobs, man.
And
like
how much was that job paying?
You know, it was paying me around $10.
$10 an hour.
$10 per hour.
Okay, and that's 2014, guys. So
You know, and Karan, in 2014, guys, there was a rule that you cannot work like the first 6 months. After 6 months, you get a social insurance number and then only you can work. But
Okay.
now when they land,
Yeah.
they can simply get a SIN number
Yeah.
and they can work. But back then it wasn't like that.
Okay, so you guys are pretty lucky. Whoever is coming right now to Canada, you guys are getting your SIM number right away.
Mm-hmm.
Back in the day, you had to wait 6 months and then you could start working, right?
Yeah.
So you said that you started work as a meat shop.
And then I switched to a construction job. That was paying me a little bit higher.
Okay.
But I used to do paintings and like making basements, doing the flooring and stuff.
Yeah.
And they paid me around $15.
$15
But I didn't
an
do
hour.
it for longer
Okay.
because it was affecting my grades.
Yeah.
So I then switched to being a cashier at Walmart.
Okay.
They were paying me around $12.
Okay, so
And-
it's all about, guys, it's all about trying to search whatever suits you, because obviously you don't want to sacrifice your grades in terms of getting a better job. So definitely get that high paying job, but also don't sacrifice your grades, right?
Yeah,
So
that's
aside
important.
from a cashier, I know you also work as a security
As a
guard.
security guard, like,
Right.
if guys, like if you want to work part-time, I would say security jobs are the best because they pay higher. You only need to require a license.
Yeah.
That's it. And then you are like paid $16 to $18 per hour.
Okay.
So
And
that's
so
all.
how much were you earning more or less working part-time as a security guard per month? let's
Per
say?
month, I would say around $1,500.
$1,500,
Yeah.
which he was easily then able to afford his monthly expenses.
Yeah, I was
right?
able to afford my monthly expenses. Also, I was able to save a bit of money.
Okay.
And add it to my fees, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, like this video, subscribe to my channel, hop onto Balraj's channel and subscribe to him as well. So that was it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.